Tell you how I got scammed. Definitely be sitting in my fridge for 2 months untouched. Spiraling in the middle of the night. I'm trying to stick my life back together at this point. Hello. I finally decided to start my own YouTube channel. My friends who have YouTube channels have always been pushing me to kind of start my own. You've probably seen me in other people's vlogs and you're probably like, who is this kid and why is he in everyone's vlog? I went to college out here. I met one YouTuber. You know one, you know them all. This is definitely gonna challenge me to kind of put myself out there. Just like the rest of America, I know how it feels to not be working right now and kind of be stuck in the house. I hope these videos kind of provide you a little distraction so you feel like you're not alone as well. We're all in this together. Everyone be nice. I'm trying. This is the first time I'm talking to a camera like this. If you're watching this video, consider us best friends. I plan on making a collage. We're gonna make some Dalgona TikTok viral coffee. We're gonna have a haul. We're gonna play Animal Crossing. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna chill. I'm sure you'll enjoy the circus that's about to be unleashed on this channel. Why am I so blown out? Hello. I have some updates. While I was sleeping, I woke up to the sound of a waterfall, kind of a crashing sound. Collage I painstakingly worked on for a few hours had gracefully ripped itself off the wall and fell on my floor. Just lovely. Today we're gonna be redoing it. In case you wanted to see what it looked like before, here's my little story of it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing? Are we even friends? Do we even like each other? If you're not watching my stories, I'm a little disappointed and disgusted. I'm gonna need you to go ahead and follow. This is your one warning. I'm just kidding. Well, actually, I'm not. You better follow. This is what's left of my collage. She's so sad. Basically, this whole thing was covered and now it's destroyed. Before I get into redoing the collage, a story time of how I got scammed. It feels appropriate to tell you how I got scammed in my broken collage corner. You can see the remains of my collage are here. The scam I am wearing, the story I am holding. You might have seen these beautiful things of people wearing these amazing, cozy, comfy sweater hoodies. Remy saw this cozy hoodie on her Instagram ad. We decided to go ahead and place an order. We get it, we paid the $75. Took a month to arrive from China. So then we see an ad for the original. Original cost $19.99. I am going to wear this out. I'm sorry, but I am going to get my $75 worth of wear out of this. If I'm wearing this all of quarantine, don't ask questions. Just know I paid a lot of money for it. Of course, there's more pieces falling off as I'm talking. I should probably get to trying to stick everything back together like I'm trying to stick my life back together at this point. Hello. Don't ask how I positioned you here. There's a lot happening behind the scenes to get this shot. Just know I put in effort, all right? Okay, let's get to the footage. Hello, we just finished. I'm sweating, I'm tired. I'm never doing that again. This falls again. I will not be putting it back on my wall, I swear. I'm literally throwing it out. If anyone has any suggestions on how to mount these properly, please let me know. The wall is back to its former glory. It's already starting to come off. I wonder if this is what it's like to date me. This requires a lot of maintenance, upkeep, frustration, minor inconveniences, blow-ups, spiraling in the middle of the night, falling off the wall. All things that really describe me. All right, goodbye. Okay, I am back from we're back from Trader Joe's now. This little area that I'm filming in now, I like to call my panic zone. Ever since the virus has kind of rocked our nation, per se, Miss Morona has arrived, I like to get my groceries and kind of leave them by the front door, Lysol wipe each thing individually and debag it properly, and then burn
burn the remains of the rest.
In case you cared what I usually get to eat, I'm gonna show you. First, I'm gonna throw up a picture here of my cart from Ralph's last time. Obviously, I really care about health, wellness, and fitness. We have a bag of Mandarin chicken. We also have another bag of Mandarin chicken. My friend actually threatened me and said, Ollie, please don't get 2 bags of Mandarin chicken. You could use a vegetable or 2. And to that I say, no. Simply roast chicken breast because I simply cannot be bothered actually cooking. We have smoked apple Chardonnay chicken sausage. Don't know why I got this. I saw my friend putting it in her cart, so I threw it in mine. The most shocking piece here, Philly cheesesteak bao buns. What was I thinking in purchasing this? I don't know. Moving on to things I kind of add to my fridge so I don't feel bad about myself. We have the bag of carrots. So this will definitely be sitting in my fridge for 2 months untouched. And then I'll remember her and I'll think of her fondly. This is also going to join Miss Bag of Carrots, and she will do her due diligence in taking up space in my fridge. I also have one of the best things at Trader Joe's, frozen fruit things. I usually get the strawberry ones, but they only have banana, so I'm gonna suffer with that. We have Miss Colby Jack cheese. I'm a fan of all cheeses. And also, if you say you're lactose intolerant, so am I, but I'm still gonna enjoy a good cheese. Also have fruit and vegetable wash. Since the whole, you know, pandemic, it's probably not the best idea to Lysol your literal fruits and vegetables. I didn't know this was a thing. I hope this helps someone out because I don't know how to be an adult. Oh, lovely. I guess I got 3 bags of orange chicken. We have almond beverage. This isn't almond milk, this is almond beverage. I don't know the difference, but I guess we'll find out. Lemon pepper seasoning. Everyone needs all that. The reason why I went to Trader Joe's, the whole entire trip would have meant nothing if I didn't get this. Sea salt caramels. These taste like a symphony in your mouth. Sea salt, caramel, milk chocolate. Wow. Moving on, we have Brussels sprouts. Will I eat these? No. And last but not least, the final item, tuna salad. Why'd I get this? I don't know. Do I have cans of tuna at home? Yes. As you can tell with my whole grocery haul now, I'm definitely not an adult, definitely don't know how to cook. A little spiraling happening, and as you can tell by my dietary choices, there's clearly something wrong. Thank you for tuning in to my little grocery haul. I hope you cared, I hope you learned something. Hello everyone. All right, we are back. I feel like I'm in a lab right now. We're gonna try to make some coffee. But not any coffee. We're gonna try to make the viral Dalgona whipped coffee. I went ahead already off camera and kind of got all the things. We have a whisk, we have a spoon, we have a bowl, clean, measuring cup, instant coffee. The sugar, the cups start before the water gets cold and I start spiraling. I guess start with the coffee. Ugh. I don't know. I'm not really the cooking type of person. You'll see that as we're going through this. Oh, there's not a lot of coffee in this. I think 2 packets sounds about right. I don't expect this to look good. We have the instant coffee. We're gonna pour her in. We're gonna take the sugar. Sorry if I'm not making eye contact. This is very hard to do. Wasn't the best idea to film, but we're gonna do this together. That seems about right. Definitely more sugar in here than coffee, just an FYI. I don't even see the coffee anymore. Boiled water, probably completely cool now. Love that for me. Oop, we're spilling. Shaky hands. Now we're gonna try to whisk. Will I mess this up too? Probably. God. Okay. This is what the mixture looks like. I almost dropped the bowl. Okay, this is a disaster waiting to happen. I'm like actually sweating. This is so embarrassing. Okay, I'm definitely gonna mute the noises. It's definitely getting everywhere. Maybe I shouldn't have used a cereal bowl, but we're gonna continue. It looks like Hershey's milk. We're about a few minutes in and I don't think I did it right, but we're gonna keep trying. It looks like peanut butter. I got it everywhere. I wish I could grab the camera and show you. It's everywhere. It's in my pores, it's in my skin, it's embedded in my DNA at this point. Taste it, if it's like sweet enough or not. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna need more sugar, so. Yeah, that seems about right. Keep in mind, I drink the sad drinks. I drink macchiatos, I drink the frappuccinos. I don't drink the adult coffee. We're gonna want this to taste like ice cream. We're gonna go back in with this. Now this is the final result. It looks like pudding to me. Put in some vanilla almond milk, and then we'll do a little flavor test. I think that's a good amount. I don't know. Why is this such a process? Anyone who makes cooking videos, kudos to you. We're gonna just pop her in. I feel like the more sugar you put in it, the better. I hate that noise. Or is that like an ASMR noise? Did I just offend the ASMR community? I'm so sorry. Finally gonna taste her. I'm really trying to sample the flavor. In my final review, I would give the fluff itself of the coffee a 4 out of 5. The fluff of it tastes like ice cream. If you like coffee flavored ice cream, you'll really like it. 2 tablespoons of sugar was definitely not enough if you like sweet coffee. I would recommend adding an additional teaspoon. The more sugar I put in it, the fluffier and thicker it got. Would I do this again? Yes. Would I follow someone's instructions properly next time? Yeah. Definitely. All right, hello everyone. I have returned. Well, obviously now it's kind of darker, it's nighttime, so we had to bring in the big guns. The ring light is out. I'm ready to show you what I will be eating for dinner. On today's menu, my Cane's chicken tenders from yesterday. So if you don't know what Cane's is, it's like one of the best chicken tender experience you can have. I'm gonna go open up my fridge, find the tenders, bring it back, and then show you guys how I kind of air fry my food, and then show you my beautiful, trusty steed right here.
I'm running.
We have returned with the goods. I'm gonna show you the real star of the vlog, Miss Tenders. Obviously, she looks a little sad. She's been in the fridge, a little cold, frigid. We're gonna pop her right in. So the first thing you do is you plug it in, which I already did before I started filming. Amazing. You're gonna pop this open. So this kind of looks like a deep fryer. I'll insert some B-roll here to kind of give you some little something for the kids. And then I'm gonna start putting this stuff inside. So 1 second. Okay, so now that you're done putting it inside, take her, we're gonna pop her back in to this beautiful machine. Press the power button. We're gonna go 350, and then we're gonna start. And in 5 minutes, my dinner's cooked. We'll check back in after I'm done eating, or maybe I'll show you guys. We'll see what happens. I don't really know. Not a pro vlogger here. We're just going with the flow. We're gonna see what this video turns out to be because I'm honestly afraid. All right, she has arrived. She is cooked, she is heated up, she is thriving. So now I'm just gonna dig in and enjoy my reheated chicken tenders. Okay, bye everyone. Hello everyone. We're gonna have 2 hauls in 1 video. Exciting stuff here. Remy decided to drop me off a care package, so I thought it would be funny to kind of show you what she got me. So first she wrote this super cute letter. First thing I saw in the care package was translucent powder. A galaxy rose? I actually never seen one of these before, but wow, how nice. All right, gave me her Switch case that she didn't need anymore, so definitely gonna put that on my Switch later. I'm gonna sanitize her, of course. She also baked me pizza bagels from scratch, which, thank you. I'll actually eat a real meal tonight, for once. And she made me handmade ice cream from scratch. Literally, who does that? If Remy does not get wiped up ASAP, I'm honestly applying for that. Pulling up a at-home workout on my TV, so we're gonna give this a whirl. Oh, okay, honestly, yeah. I'm gonna go play Animal Crossing. This is basically what I do in Animal Crossing. Look at her town though. It's so nice. Lauren kind of snapped with this. She has a waterfall, whole path of flowers, a little like Earth Cafe moment right here. How do I move to this town and get rid of mine? I thought it would be the proper send-off to end it where the vlog started, in the bed. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs this video up, and leave a comment. Suggest to me what you want to see next for me. Please let me know what you thought of the first video and any feedback, of course. If you made it this far to the end of the video, wow, I commend you. Okay, goodbye everyone.